Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Thursday, April the 11th, 2019. Well, let's jump in and see how these markets ended up today. And you can see we gapped up for the day, and then unfortunately as we opened we pulled back. We did gain a little bit back towards the end of the day. You can see here we've got the red candle. The spiders closed just below where we closed yesterday, so it is a down day for the spiders, but very, very close. 0.93 is the relative volume, so almost average volume. You can see on the volume graph right here. A lot of activity, but not much change at the end of the day. Moving on to the Qs, you can see here we had that gap up, the same thing there. Not a lot, a little bit, but we did pull down in about mid-range of yesterday's candle. We had 0.65 relative volume, so a very slow day in the Qs. And you can see here after the gap up, pretty much, a little bit of chop. It basically just headed down, most of the day. A little bit of a gain right at the tail end of the day, but that is your Qs for today. Now moving on to the diamonds and see what they did. And you can see we had that same gap up, and then the first couple of bars really down. Then we consolidated a while, came down some more, and then we gained some of it back towards the end of the day. Relative volume is at 0.77. You can see on the volume bar here, just a slow day there. You can see here, we've got the 3 red days in a row. Even though yesterday was technically an up day, it was still a red candle because of the gap up as far as the chart goes there. So that is your diamonds. Now we're going to move on to the Holly report and see how she did. Holly Grill, 12 trades, lost 10 cents. On the risk on mode, lost 18 cents. And if we go over here, we see her best trade was FHL. She got out for a timed exit, and she made 47 cents on that. Had you stayed in till the end of the day, you would have made 60 cents on it. So pretty nice trade there. And the AIRG was her best trade of the day as far as risk on goes. She got in it. She got out because of a reduced risk and took a 21-cent loss. And then look at it once it kicked in, just straight up. You would have made 67 cents had you stayed till the end of the day. And then I just want to point out something on these stop hits. When we have a stop hit, the risk on stops right at that mark as well. So you can see here on the edit, and I'm not sure if this was after hours or right at the tail end of the day, but if the stock goes up or down after that, it's not going to affect the risk on column at all. It's going to stay right at the stop hit number. We're going to be adding another column that's going to be a full day. So in other words, it's going to run it. It's not going to stop that. It's going to, whether it goes up or down, it'll be included in that calculation. So we possibly will have one more we'll be looking at if we choose to, show that as an example each day. Now moving on to Holly 2.0, we had 9 trades here. Did a little better, 85-cent profit. Risk on profit, 59 cents. Her best trade was the FHL again, and 47 cents, 60 on the risk on. We already looked at it, so no sense to do that. And that was tied with EBS for the risk on. And we can see here, real choppy day with the EBS, but she got out because of a profit save, made 15 cents. But had you held till the end of the day, it would have been a 60 cent there as well. Let's move these charts up so we can see the Holly Neo. Holly Neo, 11 trades, 93 cents profit. $1.76 is the risk on profit. And the best trade there is DOMO, 89 cents. And that was a profit save. She got out, and had you stayed in till the end of the day, $1.73. And so that is the best one, I believe, in both categories. And yes, it is. Let's go ahead and bring our Excel spreadsheet in so we can take a look at that. And I clicked the wrong button there. Here we go. We'll click. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. It's giving me trouble here. So let's. Okay, hold on 1 second. There we go. Finally got that figured up and clicked the right square. For the day, we ended up with 32 trades. We made $1.68 today, and $2.17 was the risk on profit. For the week, we're still in the hole. We have 123 trades, loss of $1.41. $2.94 is the risk on loss. So tomorrow is going to be very important to try to end up with Holly in the black for the week. So it'll be a big day. And so here in a few minutes or a few seconds, you're going to have a little pop up here where if you want to subscribe to these videos, you can just click right on that. There's going to be a thing pop up on the right so that you can click on that and learn about some free stuff and benefits you can get from Trade Ideas. I am an affiliate with Trade Ideas, and so there's a lot of things we offer you that can help you be a better trader or investor at no charge. And of course, if you do want to take advantage of the software, if you look in the comments of the video, you'll find some savings codes there. You can save 15% on your first month or your first year. Thank you for watching, and God bless.